Thanks so much for staying with us. Taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam Network. Traffic moving along nicely. That will be a different story as we head through the day tomorrow. Snow, ice, it's going to take a while before it gets to the Fargo area. 14 right now. Feels more like 4. Winds out of the southeast at 7. It is 12 over in Moorhead. Temperatures elsewhere across the region. 6 in Bemidji, 7 Wadena, 8 Thief River Falls, and 17 down in the Sisseton area. Those winds increasing out of the south and southeast. They'll continue to do so overnight tonight. That means temperatures steady to slowly rising as we head towards tomorrow morning. But right now creating some wind chills below 0 in a few locations, including Thief River Falls, Grand Forks, and in the Langdon area. A lot of cloud cover out there. Underneath those clouds, we're seeing some snow. It's having a tough time. It keeps evaporating as it moves on off towards the east, overcoming some dry air, but more precipitation off towards the west. And this bigger area of precipitation, that's going to continue to slowly make its way on off towards the east, overspreading the state and over into Minnesota, creating some rather slick conditions. It's already creating some slick conditions, and my map has disappeared, but a lot of icy covered roads in the northwestern portions of North Dakota, and that will continue to move on off towards the east. We'll show that to you in the hour-by-hour forecast. And again, off to the east here, a lot of dry air for this snow to overcome, and it will eventually do so as we head towards tomorrow morning. That snow and some ice will continue to make its way on off towards the east. Very difficult travel expected central and western North Dakota. Still difficult in eastern North Dakota and into northern Minnesota, but less ice the further east you go. Even as it ends, though, we could still see some pockets of freezing drizzle or very light freezing rain mixed with the snow at times. How much snow are we talking about? Well, generally 1 to 3 inches, with the better chances for up to 3 inches across the northern portions of the valley. Add to that a chance for some ice, and again, even points off to the east of that area. Could see some scattered areas of freezing drizzle lingering into tomorrow night. Because of the risk primarily for ice into these areas, winter weather advisory is in effect. And so again, the most difficult travel will be in the areas that get the most ice, but we'll still have some travel trouble over much of the rest of the area. Here in Fargo, snow just getting underway around the 7 o'clock hour, with temperatures slowly warming into the upper teens by tomorrow morning. And it's going to be breezy tomorrow morning as well. By lunchtime, breezy and snowy. Temperatures in the low 20s. It's going to feel colder than that with those gusty south and southeast winds. By later in the day, snow beginning to wind down, but we could see some freezing drizzle or freezing rain mixing in. So both the morning commute and the evening commute may be a little bit difficult here in Fargo. I think the evening commute tougher than the morning commute the way it looks right now. Picture of the day, a chilly sunset in Gonvick. Thanks so much to Jimmy for sending this in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. After a sloppy day on Wednesday, some of that may linger into the early morning hours on Thursday, particularly across northern Minnesota. Some milder air for a couple of days, Thursday and Friday. Tailgating Saturday, it's looking decent. Temperatures in the low 20s. Big storm system right now still looks like it will stay south of the area, but models say maybe it could impact us. So we're keeping some low snow chances in there for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, but we'll keep fine-tuning that after we get past tomorrow's.
It's still okay. We're getting close to December.
Exactly, yeah.
All right, thanks.
You got it.